Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about INNOCN 24.5-inch 1440p IPS 25G2S a 240Hz gaming monitor. So friend, the 25G2S is a 24.5-inch WQHD 240Hz gaming monitor engineered for competitive gamers and performance enthusiasts alike, designed with precision and purpose. And this monitor delivers stunning visual, ultra-responsive performance, and impressive gaming experience, all wrapped in a sleek, modern design with ultra-thin bezel. So friend, this monitor is available at Amazon US at $299.99 with a blazing fast 240Hz refresh rate and 1 ms MPRT response time. And this monitor ensures gameplay stay fluid and blur free even the most intense movement. And the WQHD resolution offers sharp, vibrant visual enhanced further by 100% of sRGB and 93% of DCI-P3 color coverage, bringing every game world to life with true to life color and depth. And HDR support enhance contrast and brightness, pulling players deeper into every scene. So friend, built in the IPS panel, the 25G2S maintain vivid colors and wide viewing angle, making it ideal for both solo and shared gaming experience. Adaptive sync technology with G-Sync support, eliminating screen tearing and shuttering and delivering uninterrupted action across all gaming scenarios. So friend, the connectivity features including dual HDMI 2.1 port and DisplayPort 1.4, ensuring full compatibility with the latest console including PlayStation 5 and Xbox, and at a 1440p resolution and 240Hz refresh rate, and the inbuilt 2-watt speaker and private audio zone for impressive sound whether gaming late into the night or during peak season. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.